PTC Creo Advanced Assembly Extension enables organizations to improve the productivity of multiple designers who need to work concurrently on assemblies. It also includes tools that support the design of assembly variants and creation of assembly process plans. In many cases, it is not practical or efficient to work with an entire assembly, but the design intent needs to be maintained at the sub-assembly level. This is especially true for very large assemblies and distributed teams. Using AAX, critical design information can be incorporated into sub-assemblies to ensure that the parametric relationships are maintained. As each designer, working in parallel, further details their individual subassembly, they can confidently design with the knowledge that if the lead designer changes the primary design intent, their subassembly will adapt. Additionally, since critical design information is shared across the team, designers don't have to worry about their changes impacting the work of other team members. This ability to truly support concurrent engineering provides your design team with significant productivity benefits. PTC Creo Advanced Assembly Extension enables more effective collaboration for design teams who need to work concurrently on assemblies. And with additional tools to support the generation of assembly variants and the creation of assembly process plans, AAX can help you to drive greater productivity within your product development process.